Hi everyone, good morning. So it's our day 3 here in Hong Kong. It's already 10:30 a.m. and we're done prepping up. Actually, late kaming gumising. We woke up at around 9 a.m. Siguro dahil sa pagod kagabi. For the straight 2 days, pagod talaga yung katawan namin sa lakad, sa activities. So, plano talaga namin mag-rest. So this is our outfit for today. I'm wearing all black. So black cap, black top, trouser, and
so I'm just wearing a tank top and then this shorts I got from H&M, Nike P6000,
your
oversized suit and green cap. Guys, first coffee shop sa day 3 here in Hong Kong. So, ako lang nag-order ng matcha since gusto namin mag-try pa ng iba pang coffee shops after this one. So, para mas makatipid, diba? And then, yung coffees naman nila, hindi naman siya masyadong wide yung option. So, yung regular lang na coffee.
By the way, we're here in Black Sugar Cafe. Just within TST.
Nasa street lang siya, guys. Then, makikita nyo naman siya agad.
Why did you say that we look at the same?
Hi guys, so we're on our way to Bakehouse here in Central area. We're going up there.
Yeah, just be careful kasi medyo slippery when wet.
Uy, grabe. Grabe yung lakad namin today, as usual. And umuulan pa. Gosh.
That's the reality of traveling. A lot of walks. Major walks.
We're here!
kakagaling na namin sa mall. That's IFC?
IFC Mall.
IFC Mall. So, wala kami na pala dun kasi gusto ko sana bumili ng power bank, yung MagSafe. Pero, di na available sa Apple Store. So, right now, we're here sa Green Donkey in Central Hong Kong. And we're having dinner. Yeah, so we got water for drinks. Then, this 2 chicken and interment beef croquette. So, ito lang. And mura siya guys. 29.29 and this is 19 and a total of
86 something.
yeah, it's 86. Oh my gosh. That's cheap na siya. Affordable. And then, nakita lang namin to kasi wala.
Dumaan lang tayo.
Oh, ikot-ikot lang kami. Tapos nakita namin na merong donkey here. So, why not grab it? Kasi nga, 'di ba? Nasa Japan lang yung ibang donkey. Anyways, let's eat.
That's it, guys. So hopefully next donkey namin is sa Japan lang. Manifest.
We're here at Cotton On. Kasi feel namin mauubusan kami ng damit. Kasi nga, 'di ba? Parang change outfit kami.
Every now and then.
Yeah, o kasi. Ay. Kasi nga, hawis.
Ito yung napili namin.
Ito yung napili namin kasi sa Cotton On. Dito kami ngayon sa Cotton On. Yeah. 50% yung second item. So, that's a good deal. I don't know if it's a good deal or something. But anyways, we're here now. We're paying na.
So we're out and about now, and it's a sunny day today. Actually, this is the first time na sunny day during our whole stay here in Hong Kong. Kasi hindi naman siya everyday umulan, pero gloomy. So ito, sunny siya. This is their iced Ovaltine. Let's try. Sarap na guys. We're having breakfast. The breakfast is served.
It's a feast, guys. Hindi namin namalayan na super big breakfast pala siya. Buti na lang talaga guys, meron pa. Kasi kung hindi,
Almost sold out na.
girl, almost sold out na siya. Kasi taas, haba pa ng pila. Pero kami, nasa loob na. So that's better and hopefully. So 4 lang naman yung bibilhin namin sa box of 4. Kasi thank you. Kasi medyo busog pa naman kami. But here.
Thank you. Got the good!
Finally guys, after minutes lang naman yung waiting. Pero nag-try din pala ako mag-withdraw. Pero gosh, na-reject yung card ko. And it's a GoTime Bank. So, try natin pumunta sa Citibank pala. Tapos mamaya na natin to kainin. Dali na lang natin for Macau.
Yeah.
Go tayo ng Citibank right now to withdraw kasi we don't have cash na. And then, go to the station. Yes! Finally.
finally here sa boat going to Macau. We got the 12:30 departure and we paid $190. And that's, how much is it in peso? 1,400 pesos. Yeah. So we paid around 2,800 for the boat.
Yeah, so there are 2 ports. Meron dalawang ports, guys, sa Macau. The Taipa and the outer port. So, yung Taipa is merong available pero 2:30 pa. Pero yun yung mas malapit sa mga
Sa Venetian.
spots. Yeah, yun yung Taipa, mas malapit siya sa mga kumpol-kumpol na mga tourist spots versus the outer, malayo siya. So, pero okay lang kasi may mga free buses naman daw. Mga
From
hotels.
outer terminal going to Taipa, free buses lang daw yung
Hotels, mga casino and all. So, i-grab natin yun. But let's see kung meron pa. Kasi last na chinag namin is vlog ni Jen Barangan and others. So, yeah.
It's break time, guys. So, kakainin na namin yung baon namin, which is from the bakehouse. So, try natin yung egg tart. Well, for sure, masarap to.
They have discount coupons there, Charlie.
Here ko.
Ay, sorry.
So guys, we're here sa Venetian.
Yeah.
Shopping at Venetian. Kasi dito lang yung may Zara. Bibili ng shoes din Nico sa Zara kasi ang sakit daw ng paa niya ngayon.
Pag na-fold kasi siya, basta kung titingnan nyo, basta may fold siya something. Parang na-fold din yung toes ko. So like, sakit. Papagastos pa tayo. Char!
So we're here sa Zara.
Araz! We're taking photos, guys. Hey guys, we're back in Hong Kong and we're still in Shenwan Port something. Shenwan ba to? Basta anyways, yeah, so we're here at Toastbox. We're having our early dinner. Ay, dinner na gid siya. Dinner here sa Toastbox kasi we miss the coffee sa Toastbox, and then we ordered also
Beef brisket.
yeah, beef brisket.
We just gonna share yung ulam and then
Yeah.
2 rice.
Kasi
Para tipid.
tipid, and then feel ko naman na sakto lang siya for us. Anyways, let's have dinner muna. I will have dinner muna. Grabe, ang daming tao guys. Like super. Siguro Saturday or something. Pero, or hindi lang namin ito napuntahan before. Ay, hindi pa rin napuntahan na namin ito. Daanan namin ito. I'm not sure. Meron siyang packet. Hindi namin ito nakita before.
So we're exploring the streets of Hong Kong at night.
TST.
Yeah, specifically in TST. Actually, naghanap din kami ng bar. Kasi
Yeah.
gusto naming uminom tonight.
Sana mag-drink. Kasi Saturday.
Saturday, yeah. And we also want to experience nightlife here in Hong Kong.
Yeah.
So let's see kung saan kami iinom. Here's our
Hey guys, we're here at Cupping Room, which is located sa Harbor area. Near TST lang siya guys. So right now, we're just having our coffee. So I ordered latte and then flat white naman kay Joed.
The coffee is so good. It's strong. So if you're into sweet coffees, you might as well request to add some sugar or like sugar syrup. We're just gonna stay here sa my TST, and then after this, punta kami sa may Shui Po.
Sneaker Street, guys. So we have Jordan, Adidas, Nike there. We also have New Balance and a lot of stores. But there's a lot of stores to choose from. And it's way cheaper actually. For real. Kasi may nakita kaming P6,000. Pag sa Foot Locker ka, around 6,000 pesos yun. Tapos dito, girl, 3,000 lang. Oh my gosh. So cheap. But, ang daming tao. Super duper. Ganyan, look. But it's okay. Here. Got the goods, guys. Yes, papasalubong. Konti lang. Actually, hindi naman masyado maraming dapat bibigyan. Kasi wala naman din masyado kaming kilala sa Cebu. Kasi yung fam namin nasa CDO naman. So, yeah.